Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
Let's dive in, Papa. The craziest thing I ever said in the elevator was, I farted. Nobody ever wants to own up. I owned up.
You are a juggernaut. You know what you are? You're...
I have 5 suede jackets and 4.
So you are all, I heard that you are also
and things like vanishing point, perpendicular angle, diagonal angle, and how three-dimensional depiction is illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. So things like art and drawing and painting and music really gives you a deep
byproduct. Let me explain. A byproduct is a, what do you just say? A butter sausage?
Byproduct. That means there's
no, but
Which leads me to my first question. Do you mind if we just start with the questions?
Let's dive in, Papa. I'm here.
Okay, here's my first question. And this is a question I also got off the internet, so I thought it was a good one. How my blood cells? So
was it a latte? Did you get that latte?
I did get a latte. I got almond milk and also regular milk, so they could just fight it out.
I couldn't do the almond milk. That would give my booty the hives. I'm allergic.
Which interviewing? You're watching me interview, Mr. Tracy Morgan.
Listen, I don't know the only thing I know is a byproduct of those ballpark friends.
Way over 30 years. I juice every day. Every day I juice.
YouTube back in